Let's do this before it gets too hot and too dark outside. Let's start with the front, shall we? So this is the passenger side.
I have a little folding table here. Behind the folding table, I have a lot of, equipment and techie stuff that we're gonna need. Toiletries bag. In here, there's a ton of kitchen stuff, as well as down here, s'mores and all that. And my 7.5 gallon water jug is gonna sit right here. I know it already fits because I already tested it out. I think the girls are going to be sitting back here. There's plenty of space for them to sit. There's my little trash can that you couldn't see earlier. And up here we have a special net that holds all the pillows and blankets. And then the trunk is obviously very full. See there how this kind of hangs a little over my head. I love this little pillow. Isn't that cute? It's a pillow cover, and I put an old pillow. I think I cleared my headspace here. My driving spot here. I got plenty of space. I got my little sunshade here. I mean, I do have headspace. See, it's kind of like to the side of my head, but not over my head. So it should be fine. Anywho, let's go to the reveal spot. This is packed to the rim. This is that cat tent I was telling you about. This backpack is awesome. I got it on Amazon, and it's holding all 3 of our clothes. A couple more kitchen things that we'll need, as well as here's some dry goods. I got my weather tags. This is our little area rug. This is my mattress. These are some of our bathroom things. And behind here, I don't know if you can see, there's actually an empty hollow space where the refrigerator does fit, and it will be plugged in. And this is also just here kind of holding this up temporarily. So when it's time to go, I'll just take out these 2 bags, slide the fridge in, plug it in, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, completely full.
We're ready to hit the road tomorrow morning. So let's show you our fridge. There it is. So in there, I already have the food packed. And I guess I didn't have to pack it today, and I didn't have to have this running all night. But I just couldn't wait till the morning to be certain that everything that I wanted to take was going to fit in there. So I had to check it. And since I had already checked it and I already packed everything so perfectly, I didn't want to run the risk of putting everything back in the refrigerator and then not remembering the configuration and how I had everything put in. So all of our food is currently in there. This is just holding it down temporarily. This is not even full of water all the way up. It's about a little over halfway up because this is 7 gallons of water. See, now it's laying flat because everything's in there, and I have a couple ice packs in there. And is it already at temp? Because now I can switch it to eco mode, where it's at 42 right now, and I want it to reach 30. Let's keep it at max, and then at bedtime, we'll put it at eco mode because I do have some raw meat in there. But it was at 65 just like maybe an hour ago, and now it's at 42, so that's not bad. I'm just gonna leave it plugged in. I'm gonna leave it running all night, and then just plug it into the car right when we're ready to go, load up my water, and then we'll be good to go. So don't mind me, I am a sweaty mess right now, but I just finished doing everything in preparation for the camping trip. I'm going to get in the shower now and relax and unwind. And I think I just need the girls' toothbrushes and we're ready to go. Ready to hit the road tomorrow. We're excited, and I'll see you soon. It's about 5 in the morning. Gonna have my breakfast and start getting ready to go. So we have been on the road since 7:30 in the morning. It is currently 10:16. So just under 2 hours. We just had our first pit stop, bathroom break, fill up some gas, and now we are on our way to Bok Tower. Sorry, it's just one tower. It's a botanical garden with a lot of beautiful history, and I will show you guys when we get there. On 2 occasions, I've already passed by a bunch of cows, but I couldn't possibly record it because I'm driving. driving, and my phone is my camera. So I missed it, but maybe next time. So we're making a little turnaround because we just passed a right. Because I was a little bit in awe that I know Bok Tower is on top of one of the only known mountains in Florida, because it is about 200 to 300 feet elevation, which for Florida, that's a mountain because Florida's flat. And so I can actually see as I'm coming up the road going upwards. Turn right. So when we get there, hopefully I can get a nice view and show you guys. We just got here to Bok Tower. Let's see, where are we? So usually we go to the Oval first. The Singing Tower is all the way over there. And then we're just gonna have to take one of these routes to the Singing Tower. Walking time from the Oval is 8 minutes?
Yeah, it says it right there.
Okay, why do maps always look like things are bigger than what they really are? Look at the plants, how beautiful. Look at this ground. How cool, huh? It's not moss? I thought that was tree moss. Wait. Oh, the tower's over there. We just passed it.
I can't see Rest House.
Mm-hmm. So it's hard to see them, but those are love bugs right there. Hang on. See the wings? And you see how the heads are on either side? The little booties are connected. They come together. So we found love bugs. We're not gonna hurt you. Doing? How are ya? Where are you going? I don't have food for you. I don't think I'm allowed to feed you. Hi. Are you looking for somewhere to poop? You're so cute, honey.
It's like one in the Mickey's castle.
There's a big one over there. There's that great big
I know, there's one that's just monstrous.
brindle colored one.
They're little tiny. Yeah, that's crazy.
I should do a video of the music.
Wow, that's neat. Costly child.